Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took a trade on VC5 index using this trend line strategy, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to trade using trend lines and key levels. So on the 1 hour time frame, I saw that the market was pushing to the upside. I saw the market direction on the 1 hour time frame, so I identified it using our trend line too. I identified our level of support and our level of resistance on the trend. The most common thing in market analysis is support and resistance. We have our trend support, we have our trend resistance, as well as we have our horizontal support and horizontal resistance. Like in this case, we have a level of support at this point, as well as a level of resistance. Because I've seen the market selling off from this zone, selling off from here as a resistance, finally broke out of it, give us a retest as a support, resistance turned support. That's the most common thing you see in the market. That's the most common thing we have in the market. And we have at this level as well, level of support, resistance at this point, broke above it, give us a retest on it, a support turn, a resistance turned support. The same thing happened at this point. If you can be able to say that whenever the market breaks a level of resistance and retest it, will be buying, you can as well say the same thing at this point. As far as working with the market direction, because the market break out of this our level, gave us a retest on it, and we bought on this our zone, resistance turned support. Like we're able to see the past market moves. So let's check this particular market direction, because you're working with the uptrend at this point. Because I've seen at this zone that market is giving us this downward move. This is a downtrend basically. Then we got our levels in this our downtrend. We have our level of resistance here, turned support, support turned resistance, because I've seen the market bouncing off here, bouncing off here. Go to this zone, they really give us a sell-off from here, was pushed further to come test our trend resistance. That was always advisable to work with our trend support and resistance levels, because I've seen the market buying off from our trend support, buying off from here, buying off from here. Now came to this zone. Instead of the market sell off from our horizontal level of resistance, it's pushed further to come test our trend resistance and sold from this zone. So someone who said that whenever the market gets to this zone, person is selling is not really wrong, but it's advisable to have two views of the market. It's advisable to have two perspectives of the market. So having this level as our sell zone wouldn't be bad, as well as having this zone as our sell zone. So you can see the market selling off from this our trend resistance, as well as buying off from here. The same thing happened at this point. The market buy from here, buy from here. So how I took the buys is that I saw the market direction, identified my market trend. I went to the 15-minute time frame and saw that we got the market giving us this giving us this level, selling off from this our zones as a resistance, finally give us a breakout of it. Then my mind was just, if the market can give us a retest, I'll be entering with some couple of confirmations on this our level, which I did. You can see the market gave us a retest on this our level, this our resistance level, now turned support, break and retest of it. The most basic thing every trader should know, be it a beginner trader, intermediate trader, should know that whenever a resistance level is broken, it turns to a support, like the break and retest of those levels. When I started trading, my first strategy was break and retest, and to date this strategy still works. Just identify your levels and know how to approach the market on those levels. So on the 5-minute time frame, I saw that the market gave us this test on this zone. So I entered on a bullish engulfing candle, and the market pushed up a little bit, gave us a move to the downside, like I was on a drawdown at this point, but I still trusted my analysis. I still had in mind that there would be further move to the upside, which we got at this zone. So I got into the trade on the break and retest of this our level, and the market as well gave us a double bottom formation at this point, which is a nice reversal formation, a nice reversal pattern. The market gave us a double bottom formation at this point. So I entered on the break and retest of this our level. You can see honestly where the market is moving. So being able to identify our levels and our zones in the market will really help us. My advice to all traders out there struggling with being profitable, just start with identifying your market trend, identifying your levels, and working with the break and retest of those levels. Trust me, your trading game will change. You start becoming profitable over time. Just work with the market direction, just price action. Don't need to start applying all these indicators and all of that. Identifying your zones and levels properly, then you see how far you come in the trading game. So thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you're new viewer. And to my channel viewers, I really appreciate you guys for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.